So another little job on this engine, we've got very simple 8mm socket for this anode here. You just stick it on there. To be fair, it doesn't really need changing, this anode's fine. But I've got another one coming in the kit, so we'll swap it out anyway. Very straightforward, 8mm, take it out, put it back in, simple as that. So the last simple job on this Suzuki is the gearbox oil. So we've got the lower, upper plugs. We always make sure we can take the upper one out first. Get rid of that seal, and then we'll empty the bottom one by taking that plug out, and then we'll refill it from the bottom to the top, purges all the air out. Very small gearbox, so hardly any oil. And I've got new seals as well, so it's as simple as that. I'm not going to show you how to do it. I've got the bottle there with the thread connection, so you just fill it from the top, from the bottom to the top, put the top plug in. You can take your filler out, creates a partial vacuum, and then you put the bottom one in, and that's the gear oil done.